Everyone, so this is like day 5 of the LeetCoding challenge, the 30-day LeetCoding challenge. And for day 5, the question is best time to buy and sell stock, number 2. So let's go ahead and read the question together, or you can like pause it and read it quietly on your own, feel free. So say you have an array of prices for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on day 1. On day I, design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. You may complete as many transactions as you like. Buy one and sell one share of stock multiple times. You may not engage in multiple transactions at the same time. Example, you must sell the stock before you buy again. So if this is like the stock's price 715364, you want to output 7. And buy day 2 and sell on day 3, which is 5 minus 1, you get 4. Buy on day 4 and sell on day 5, 6 minus 3. So it's like for this question, like the other way like to understand this question is like draw this input out and like graph it and see like where should we, like how should we come up with the algorithms. And I can give you the example. So like this is like the example. So if the stock price like this, like 33500314, so the idea is we want to buy the idea is we want to buy small and sell big, buy low, sell high. So the other way of thinking about this problem is we want to buy at local mins and sell at local max. So we can like rephrase the question to be find local min and local max of this problem. And the reason that we want to buy at low and sell at high, because let's say like for example like this question, so 4 is like what, price 0 and 0. Let's say that you add something to here, and so you want above. So let's say 7, 8, 9. Let's say that this is like 2. It's like 4, and then 5, and then 4. So the reason that we don't want to buy here and like sell right here, because if we buy right here, the price is 0, right? And if we sell right here, we will get 3, and then we will have to buy again right here at 4 and sell at 5. So like the total profit would be 1 plus 3, which is 4. However, if we buy a local mint, which is 0, and sell at local max, which is 5, we will get 5 profit instead of 4 profit. So as you can see, like the difference from here to here is greater than the difference from here to here and from here to here, because like the thing is we can only buy one stock or sell one stock in a single day. We cannot buy and sell it. Alright, so let's go and try to code it. So I said earlier, it's like the goal is to find local min first and then find local max. So what we can do is we can have like a while loop, and what does it do? So basically it will find local min. So first it would like traverse through, so I is equal to 0, right? So we can make assumption that local min is at the first index. So what is the definition of local min? So local min is a point that is like low. That is low. It's a point that lower than its neighbor, or like the same level as its neighbor. So what we want to do is we want to while so we want to keep traverse to find our local min, right? So we want to find a point that it's start like jumping. So we can do I plus 1 like here. So while local min is while price I is less than or equal to we want to update our local min to the previous price. And then we want to make sure if I is less than the laying of the prices, then we want to increment our I. And in the case that this is not true, it means that we have found a local min. It means that we find something that is greater than local min. So in that case, we can so our local min will be correct. And then same thing, local max. It's basically it's quality price, but we want to make sure like the edge case. So if I is less than lay prices, then we want to have similar while loop. So if that price is greater than local max, we want to increment, update the local max to that price, and then we want to update I. While I less than laying of the price, and here we want to have like some sort of like profit. Then we want to Will it works? Let's see. So in the case that we have only like 2 value, so in the case that we have like something like 1 and 2 like this would be a local min, and then local max would be, so it will works. But in the case that it has only 1 stock, so we want to have like each case if length of prices less than 2 is none, or 2 and 0. Or if we have like some case like this, it is also like give us an error as well, because local max is this. I think what we can do is we can set local max is equal to local min. So this will be cancel out. So like in this case, local min would be 1, and this loop it's not going to run. So local min and local max are equal, and then profit should be 0. Alright, so the answer is accepted. Alright, good job to myself. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. Bye.